Hello and welcome to this Sunbeam cleaning and descaling video for the Origins Classic Espresso Machine. Sunbeam coffee machines are expertly designed to make your coffee ritual at home more effortless, and we have made the cleaning easy too. Keeping your coffee machine clean on a regular basis means it will continue to deliver great coffee time after time, and your machine will last longer. Let's begin. Before we get into the programmed cleaning and descaling cycles the machine can perform, it's essential you clean your machine on a regular basis to help maintain it. We recommend running water through the group head before and after making an espresso. After every use, we recommend rinsing the group handle and filter basket with warm water and cleaning the steam wand with a damp cloth and purging after use. On a weekly basis, ensure to use a mild detergent to wash the group handle and filter baskets, and give the drip tray a thorough clean as well. Weekly also purge water through the group head by pressing the 1 cup button. Deposits of coffee and oils build up over time, affecting the taste and operation of your espresso machine. You can use the cleaning accessories provided with the machine to further clean the steam wand and the grinder head. The bean hopper also needs to be emptied and cleaned on a regular basis to ensure best performance. When it's time to perform a clean cycle on your Sunbeam Origins espresso machine, this icon will illuminate. The cleaning cycle removes coffee oil buildup and has a different function to the descaling cycle. The cleaning cycle takes approximately 7 minutes to complete. Ensure the water tank is full or has at least 1 litre of water in the reservoir, and check the drip tray is empty. The machine should be on and warmed up, in the ready state. Place the single wall 2 cup filter basket and the cleaning disc into the group handle. Place 1 Sunbeam cleaning tablet in the middle of the cleaning disc. It's a good idea to place a container under the group head, so we don't have to empty the drip tray again. Insert group handle into the group head. Press the clean button quickly 2 times. Both presses need to be within 3 seconds. The machine will beep and the cleaning cycle will start. The clean light will pulse during the cleaning cycle. Water will purge into the container and small amounts of water will pour from the group handle spouts. At the end of the clean cycle, the unit will beep and will automatically return to the ready state. Remove the group handle from the group head. Check that the tablet has dissolved. To thoroughly clean the steam wand, add a Sunbeam cleaning tablet into the milk jug with warm water and leave it to soak overnight. Alternatively, you can unscrew the tip of the wand and leave to soak. For the cleaning cycle cleanup, purge the group head by pressing the 1 cup button for water to flow through. Allow water to run through until it stops and empty the container of liquid. Wash the group handle, cleaning disc, milk jug and wand tip in warm water with a mild detergent. Rinse and dry. Refill the water tank. The machine is now ready for use. Your machine will prompt you to descale when the clean light flashes. Firstly, fill the water reservoir with 1 litre of warm water and add 1 Sunbeam descaling sachet. Allow the solution to fully dissolve. Place the water reservoir back into position. Place a 1 litre container under the steam wand and another under the group head. Ensure that the dial is in the vertical ready position and that the machine is on. To access the descaling program, press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds. The unit will beep and the clean light will pulse all through the descaling cycle. To continue the descaling program, turn the dial to the steam position. The pump will start and hot water will run from the group head and steam wand. Over the cycle, the pump will make different noises. Once the hot water stops running out of the steam wand and the machine beeps, this step has finished. The clean light and alert indicator will now start to flash. Turn the dial back to the vertical position. The alert indicator will extinguish. Please note the clean light will continue to pulse. The steam wand and group head now need to be purged clean with fresh water to remove the descaling solution. Remove the water reservoir and rinse thoroughly under running water. Make sure all traces of the descaling solution have been removed. Fill the water reservoir to the max line with clean water. Empty water from the containers and replace. Now turn the dial to the steam position. The clean light will begin to pulse. The pump will start and hot water will run from the group head and steam wand. After 2 minutes, the water will stop pumping and the clean light and alert indicator will now start to flash. Return the dial to the vertical position. To indicate the completion of the descaling cycle, the machine will beep and the clean light will stop flashing. We hope this video has been helpful. For more tips and tricks, go to the Sunbeam Coffee Hub for more how-to videos.